morning, good morning, good morning. How is everybody doing? Today is a good day to be happy. I'm actually getting ready to go into the office today, and I'm gonna try to do some work today. I need to get there soon because I have a 10 o'clock training that I need to be at, and then I gotta mail out some letters and stuff that I gotta mail out today, and take some other stuff and drop it off UPS. But I am in the process of getting ready to go into the office. It is currently 8:53, and I just need to be there by 10 o'clock. So I'm going to take my vitamins, get myself set up to get out of here, and then I will talk with you guys when I get into the office. So I am currently driving, heading into the office. I'm probably gonna try to stop at Starbucks to get me something to drink before going into the office, because you know you gotta have that drink to keep yourself sane. But I gonna probably do a Starbucks run. It is currently 9:08, and once I get me something to drink at Starbucks, then the Starbucks is right over where my office is at, so it's not too far from there. So I'm just gonna get me some coffee, and then I'm going to go into the office. So I am currently in line waiting to place my order at Starbucks. I'm not for sure. I think I'm gonna get like a caramel mocha cappuccino, maybe something to eat, because I have not eaten anything this morning, and I took my vitamins and everything like that, and I need to have something to eat on my stomach. So most likely that's what I'm probably gonna get. I'll probably get like a bacon, sausage, and egg burrito, something like that. But I don't know. We'll see.
Thank you for stopping at Starbucks. This is Teresa. How can I help you?
Hi, can I please have the do you guys have like a caramel mocha cappuccino?
Yeah, I mean, I could do a cappuccino with caramel and mocha in it.
Yes, could you do that please for me?
Okay.
A tall. And then I'm gonna take one of your bacon, sausage, and egg burrito.
Unfortunately, it looks like I am all out of my bacon, sausage, and egg wrap right now. Was there a different one I can get for you?
Let's go with the turkey, bacon, and cheddar.
Sounds good. What else can I get for you today?
That should be all.
That is going to be $8.93, and Jess will see you up at the window.
Thank you.
Thanks.
So there you have it. That's what I'll be eating today. Okay, y'all. Let me tell you guys what just happened to me. I went into Starbucks, you know, in line, ordering my my drink and my breakfast, and I get up there to pay for my food. And so the cashier asked me, she was like, are you a regular customer here? And I was like, no, I'm not. She said, so how's your morning going? I said, you know what, my morning is actually going great, because it really is going great. And she was like, hold on, I'm just about to pull out into traffic. So she was like, so what do you do? And I was like, I'm a realtor. I was like, I'm a realtor with Shore West, you know, right up the street, not too far from here. And she was like, are you kidding me? And I was like, no. And she was like, well, I am looking to buy a house. What? And I was like, you know what? I got a business card for you. Let me give you this business card right now. She was like, yeah. She said, I'm gonna give you a call. She was like, I love your energy. See, you gotta have some good pump energy, you know, for people to just see that beautiful smile and be like, what you do? She was like, I'm looking to buy it. And so you know what? There's a potential client right there that I got. Hey, get lit. So I'm here at work. I'm getting ready to walk in. My job is right over there. See if you guys can see it. That is where I work at. That's the office right over there. Say Shore West right down the building. So I'm actually getting ready to go in and it is 9:30. I need to hurry up because my meeting starts at 10. All right. So I am currently at work. Get ready to get in, go to one of my meetings at 10 o'clock. I'm eating my food, my sandwich, got my coffee. This is my little area that I have set up. This is where I sit at. My name right there. So, yeah. I'm sitting in my little area and basically getting ready to, like I said, get into this meeting. I made a couple of calls when I first got in, and so, yeah, you guys, it's all about that real estate life. I'm not the only one in the office today. It's not a lot of people here today, as you guys can see. Let me show you. See? Not that many people here.
Right, exactly. Yeah, and that
But I'm here because I'm motivated and I'm ready to get this popping. So, yeah. So let me get set up for this meeting. Okay. Good morning. Good, and yourself? Awesome. Yes, it's Tundra. The Z is silent. Okay. They want me to be on video. So we're basically doing role play, and it's kind of intimidating, but yet it's fun. So I'm gonna just show you guys what it looks like. So we're just doing like some role playing in this success skill training that I'm actually doing, and it's funny, but it's good, you guys. So I am cold in my office. I'm in the kitchen part of the office that you guys see. And I need some tea or some coffee because it's really cold in here. So I'm gonna fix me some tea or coffee. This is like what they have, the different choices. I'm about to get me some tea or coffee because I need something to drink. Yes. have a mailbox here. I want to show you guys where my mailbox is at. Look at my name. That's my mailbox. I don't have any mail, but I came in here the other day and I had plenty of mail in my mailbox, but I'm trying to be quiet. Right now it's 10:53. I just finished up my success track classes, so now I'm going to work on finding some property. I have 2 buyers right now that's looking to purchase a house, and so I called one of them this morning. I'm going to call the other one to see if they would be interested for me looking for some property for them if they still interested in moving. And yeah, and I'm going to also sip on my delicious tea, which is good, by the way. All right, let me get some work started, you guys. Well, I can give one of my buyers, a potential buyer, a call, so I'm gonna send him a text. His mailbox is full, so I just got finished talking with my director. He was in here. We were just kind of talking about some things that I'm working on right now. Just trying to get my camera angle right. There we go. That's a little bit better. So I am probably getting some work done, and yeah, it's gonna be a good day, y'all. Still sipping on my tea. So my camera died on me, and I'm on my phone, which I do not like video recording on my phone, but I am currently working on my buyer packet. Guys, I have the folders here, and these all of the contracts and stuff that I'm actually working on. See, there's my camera. Oh, I died. But yeah, I'm putting packets together. I'm going to be meeting with a potential client on tomorrow to get them to sign the buyer agency agreement, and hopefully, you know, that go pretty good. I'm gonna help him actually look for some investment property. He wants to buy like a duplex, so I'm gonna be doing that on tomorrow. And I gotta remember now to keep an extra battery with me in case it just give out on me. Cool. Sorry that you guys have to see me on my phone, but I'm just now leaving the office. It is currently 2:03. I had a great success day. I think I had a great success day. I'm leaving the office. I'm going to pick me up something to eat, head home, and then I'll let you guys kind of know how my day went on today. Okay? Hi, Bruno. Come on. Come on. Hi, man. Is this your new toy? This your new toy? Hello, man. Hi. Is that your new toy? Is that your new toy? I see you have your blanket there, and then you have your other blanket over there, and what? Oh my God, Bruno. I just got home. It is currently right now. I always like to give you guys a time. It is 2:40. I'm not for sure if you can see that. Yep. So it's 2:40 right now. Yeah, focus. And I just got home. Just because I get home does not mean that I don't stop working. Okay. So let me let you see my amazing food. Look at that. Can you guys see that? This is my Thai beef from Portillo's, and then right here, these are some leftover noodles that lo mein noodles that I had from Noodles and Company the other day. So I am gonna get into this food right here. You know what I'm saying? So let me just tell you guys a little about my day. My day has been I feel like productive. It started off early this morning at 7 something. I was in a conversation with like a very good friend. I call her that we met on Facebook in a group that we're a part of. And from the time we met each other, I'm gonna take my glasses off because it's like a reflection. But from the time that we met each other until now, oh my God, we really connected. We was on the phone for I think about an hour and a half today. I'm gonna actually have her on my YouTube channel so that you guys will get a chance to meet who she is. She's amazing, she's phenomenal. She's a loan officer, she's a realtor, she is the bomb, do you hear me? And I just love her, and I think you guys are gonna have a really good time when you get a chance to just see her on the show and talk with her and just interact with her. She's so cool, so I can't wait for you guys to get a chance to meet her. She's the person who I'm working with that you know, when your credit needs to be repaired, she just have all of the resources to help you guys get your credit repaired. So yeah, shout out to my girl. Her name is Jamaica. I can't wait for you guys to get a chance to meet her. But it just started off just me and her just encouraging each other, motivating each other, and then from there I went into the office. I had like a really successful time in the office, and then I've been just having calls after call of potential buyers and you know, and clients, and it's just been very successful, and I'm very happy how my day actually is turning out to be. You know, like I said, it's like almost 3 o'clock. I'm back at home, but I'm still working. You know, I probably won't end my day of work until later on sometime tonight. You never know. But this is how a day of a realtor is. This is what, you know, I'm basically doing on today. I'm just going to be myself. I can't wait for you guys to meet my my director, Tom. He is so cool, and the assistant director there, Dominic. I love them both, and so I'm just very excited. I just feel like today is just going really good for me, and I think I'm just gonna end my vlog right here. Not for sure, you know, if I get anything in this evening. Probably not. I'm probably just gonna just end everything right here. You know, at this point of the day or whatever. I know I'm going to continue to work, but hey, that's how it is. But thank you guys so much for just checking out my video, and continue to like, subscribe, like it, share my videos with others. And yeah, if you have any questions in regards, if you want to buy a house or you want to sell your house, feel free to give me a call. If you just have any question in regards of real estate, I'm here to take that call. And remember, it's your journey, your home. I'm your realtor. Have a great one. Bye-bye.